Oh. It's okay, baby. Joaquin, say hi.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
Going to open the box.
What's in the box?
Open it! Let's show! Let's check.
Hey, I need space.
Whoa! 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 Look! 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 Whoa!
Alright, what is it, baby?
I don't know!
Oh, okay, they see both sides. Alright, what is it? It's called the Cra-Z Slimy Creations. Let's read the instructions. What does it say? Can you read it? Washing instructions. Slime will wash easily from skin and most children's fabrics with soap and water. For best results, do not use pre-wash or chlorine bleach.
Let's do this!
Wait.
Scissor, please!
You have to go get the scissor, baby.
Okay.
Be careful.
No, not like that. The other way. Like this. Okay? Be careful next time.
Okay. What is this? It's the... Whoa! Whoa!
Careful.
Whoa! Look at that! This is so weird! Whoa! What is that? Whoa! Whoa! Sticker! This is instructions.
Measure 15 ml of clear glue. Where's the glue? Slime. This is the glue.
This is the glue.
This one. This is the glue.
I did
So
it!
we've got.
I did it!
And then there's a slime activator.
As
Colors. We've got cups.
cups.
I mean plates.
Yeah.
And we've got, what do you call these things? More lids. Wait. Ah, baby, don't break it. Alright, good job.
Look!
Alright, measure 15 ml of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible. Okay, 15 ml.
Okay, it's on the bowl. This is the bowl. This one's the bowl.
What's 15 ml? OMG.
This.
Here, 15 ml. So it's here. We've got a measuring cup.
Okay.
Wait. There you go.
This is 15 ml.
Awesome. Okay, put all this glue in here.
Okay.
Now I need to measure 20 ml of water. So you bring Tita. Bring Tita here.
Tita!
Now add it here. Put the water in here, baby.
In the bucket in there?
Yeah, put inside. Good job. Okay. Now which color do you want?
I want the red.
Red?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Wait. Red spoon?
Stir the mixture of glue, water, and colorant
Baby.
until fully blended. Okay. So
The mix
you need, no, you have to put 5 ml here. 5 ml.
What?
5 ml only.
Okay. I want squid. Please.
Okay, squish. 5 ml only.
I don't want. Whoa!
So, I'm stirring. You need to pour now. You need to pour it, baby. Pour. Good job. Okay. Okay. Spin. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, don't. Keep stirring. Keep stirring.
Okay, done.
No, you still have to stir, baby. Still, it's like water. If you want, ask Tita to come help. We'll make color blue, purple. For all Tita's followers, please, subscribe. Next. Okay, Joaquin. Tita is going to cook. Hey.
Gagawin kayo ni Daddy.
Okay, enough.
Wait. Oh, give me the glass, please.
20 ml. Put the water. Good job.
Oo, matatapo na.
1 teaspoon of blue.
Boo boo. It's this
Boo
one.
boo.
This one's not the same. It's whoa. Whoa.
Okay, and then measure 5 ml of slime activator. Ano ba yan? 5 ml ba yun? Ay,
Hindi
sus!
ko nakikita eh.
Ooh la la la.
Okay,
Ooh
enough.
la la la.
Whoa, look at the slime, baby.
Going
Okay, you stir.
This one's a dark blue.
Lagay mo to. Wow, Joaquin. Show the camera. Look, show the camera your slime.
Kulang to sa ano. Hindi naman nabubuo.
So,
Anong dapat ilagay dito?
so cold. Yee.
No!
Brain. Looks like ew. Bleh. Oh, look. Yuck. Yuck. Ew. Touch it, Joaquin, touch it.
It's with water.
Yuck. Ew, yucky. Yuck. It feels so gross, right? Let's put it in another container. Here.
Okay. Don't have to finish.
Don't mix red and blue, otherwise you get this color, which is like it looks like mommy's tae. Ew. Let's-
Tissue.
Yeah. Enough. Going to wash one of the plates.
This is the tissue and the word. This is what you call it. Peaches, something, and one in the plate. This is the thumbs on the plate. See? He's also
Okay.
supposed to clean.
Good job. Say thank you,
This is
Tita.
just a plate. What is I need to make blues and instead make it the purple. This will make him sick.
Okay, so measure 5 ml of slime activator. It's like venom. Get it. Take it from me. Take it. Whoa. Take
2 hours later.
Purple looks awesome, but I want to try to mix the purple with the blue.
2 hours later.
Purple and blue. Wow, look, Joaquin, look, blue and purple. Ah! Oh! Ah! You're getting scared, baby. Why? It's okay, baby. Kawawa si Joaquin.
Pangit na ang daddy niya.
So ito. Ay! I can't see.
Parang may
I
sugat.
can't open. I can't open my eyes.
Sagot ka, Queen. Gustin sabihin. No!
Oh! Ah! What happened to your zebra? Just keep it here.
Where is slime over there?
You're scared? Are you okay? Okay, thanks guys for watching. Please follow, like, Joaquin.
No,
Whoop,
no.
whoop, whoop.
Gustin sabihin. No!
Oh!